Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Baz, and this is part two of our series on functioning large language models using Unsloth. If you haven't watched part one yet, I highly recommend checking it out to understand the fundamentals of fine tuning. It's important and various application methods, how we are going to do fine tuning. So today we are focusing on leveraging the Sesame CSM 1 billion parameter conversational speech model to develop a personalized voice assistant tailored to my brand specific needs. Why choose Sesame CSM 1 billion? And this is a model by Sesame. It's a compact and powerful speech generation model built in upon the Llama architecture. It's efficiently convert text and audio inputs into realistic speech output. With its 1 billion parameter, it strikes a balance between performance and resource efficiency, making it ideal for application requiring human-like conversational ability. Many organizations have adopted CSM 1 billion for their personalized gadgets due to its capability to deliver natural and engaging voice interactions. It design ensure contextual awareness, allowing for coherent and relevant responses in conversations. Why fine tuning with Unsloth? I inform into my part one. Its resource efficiency, speed, compatibility, and user friendly. By integrating Unsloth into your workflow, fine tuning is gonna take you a couple of hours. And let's build a personalized voice assistant for your gadget. So the goal is to create a voice assistant that offers human-like interactions, and it's going to talk more about your brand, and then it's going to engage your personalized customers or user and assist them to align to your brand tone and style, ensuring the unique personalized experience. And I'm going to walk through how interaction with Sesame is going to gives you a real human one. And part three, what's gonna come said, I'm demonstrating the step-by-step process of fine-tuning CSM 1 billion model using Unsloth. And I will cover from preparing the data set, configuring the training parameters, monitoring the performance metrics, and deploying the fine-tuning model. And stay tuned for a deep walkthrough that will empower your build capabilities to create your own personalized brand assistant. Let's hear from Sesame, customized voice assistant. CSM 1 million model. Is it good for fine tuning?
But they was kind of right. That's fine tuning. That's where things get really interesting. Let me put it this way: it's a solid base to build on, but it's like a multi-tool, not a Swiss Army knife. You can make it work for a lot of things, but it might not be perfect for every single niche thing. Depends on what you're trying to do. What are you thinking of fine tuning it for? If you don't mind me asking.
I have a quick gadget where I wear one, which I wanted to use it. Assessments CSM for 1 million, 1 billion parameters one, because that helped me to fine tune and with the lesser hardware to use that. What are your thoughts on that?
That's sounds like you've got a real project brewing. Look, I can't speak to the specifics of your gadget tech level because, well, I'm not an expert on hardware limitations. But here's the thing sometimes working with a smaller model is just smarter. like picking the right tool for the job. A 27 billion parameter model demands serious oomph, you know? If a million or a billion parameter model gets your gadget humming along sweetly, then rock on. It's about finding the sweet spot between capability and practicality.
Oh, perfect. Thanks.
Glad I could offer. So tell me more about this gadget of yours. What's it supposed to do?
Once I build it, I'm gonna heads up to you. Thanks for taking call. Bye bye.